done some troubleshooting with your grill and found out that your auger motor is not working, here's some really simple steps on how to get your auger motor replaced and get your Traeger back up and running. Anytime you're working on your grill and you need to replace a couple parts, make sure that you unplug your grill. It's the first thing you should do every time to ensure there's no electricity flowing into the Traeger. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold your controller to the pellet hopper. After that, you'll want to push the controller back through the mounting hole on your hopper. Make sure your pellet hopper is completely empty of any pellets. Next, remove the 4 Phillips screws. There's 2 on the front and 2 on the back. These are closest to the body of your grill, located on either side of the hopper. Once you remove the 4 screws that are mounting your hopper to the body of the grill, pick up the hopper from the bottom and remove it from your grill and set it on the ground. At this point, you should be able to see all the parts of your grill. Locate the red wiring. Those wires are connected to your auger motor, and we're gonna wanna unplug the 2 connections there. On the back side of the auger motor, you should see a bolt that holds the motor onto the auger shaft. We'll need to remove this using an Allen wrench and a 5/16 wrench. Once that's removed, slide the auger motor off the auger shaft and put the new auger motor onto the auger shaft and align the auger bolt holes. Insert the auger bolt through the hole and tighten the 5/16 nut onto the auger bolt. Now that you've replaced your auger motor, one last thing is you want to make sure the red wiring coming from your controller is plugged into the red wires coming from that new auger motor. You're going to grab your hopper, replace it just like we took it off at the beginning of this video, and you should be back up and Traegering in no time. If you're still experiencing problems with your grill at this point, give our customer service a call at 1-800-TRAEGER. Also, check out all the other videos on our website. Be sure to register your grill at TraegerGrills.com and Traeger on.